Want to add the charm of a fireplace without the hassle of a full installation? Building a faux fireplace with an electric insert is a stylish and budget-friendly way to bring warmth to any room. Here's a quick guide on how to create one yourself. Start by building the fireplace frame. Use basic lumber to create a sturdy structure that will house your electric insert and faux fireplace surround. Measure carefully to ensure the electric insert fits snugly. Next, add the surround. You can use faux brick panels or other textured materials to give it a realistic look. Attach the panels securely to your frame, creating the cozy fireplace mantle of your dreams. Add trim and molding to enhance the design. Customizing the trim lets you match your faux fireplace with your home decor, giving it a polished finish. Once assembled, paint the entire structure to blend seamlessly with your room. Finally, place your electric insert into the frame, plug it in, and enjoy the ambiance. This easy DIY faux fireplace project is perfect for adding charm and warmth to any room without the need for a chimney or extensive construction.